You are gonna laugh at how easy, so easy this shawl is. Hey beautiful soul, thank you for joining me today. I'm so glad you're here. I have something really special I would like to show you. I'm gonna be demonstrating how to work a beautiful knitted shawl pattern that I designed called Saunder. Sonder is the idea that each person that passes by is living a life as vivid and complex as your own. They have hopes and dreams, wishes, sorrows and regrets. They've got family and friends. They have routines and schedules, all of that, just like you. We each have a unique path to walk, our own special reason that we were put on this planet. Isn't that amazing to ponder? Nobody else will live your life, and you get to choose how you're gonna live it. That's so cool. So this shawl is a very simple beginner level pattern that starts here at the tip, and then it just gradually increases as you go along. It is so easy to adjust the size of the shawl. It maintains the same shape as you knit, so you can just stop whenever you like. This shawl is just a basic garter stitch, which is just knitting every stitch, so it really lends itself to so many different color options. So we chose to do a really cool color shift. We started just by working with color A, and then alternating here in this section colors A and B, moving into color B, and then B and C, and continuing on in that manner through all 4 colors. But you can choose to make the whole thing in a single color. You can do stripes if you like. You could opt for speckled yarn. You can do variegated yarn. This pattern can handle it, so do whatever lights your heart up. And I like to think of this shawl like life. There are some parameters to it, but it is basically a blank canvas that you get to design. For this pattern, we chose to use our beautiful and popular Leicester Sport yarn. This one is so great for so many things because it's a blend of superwash merino wool, which is soft and squishy and machine washable, and tencel, which lends this beautiful sheen. So you can make baby blankets with this, you can make sweaters, shawls like this one, you can do accessories of all types. It is really just a wonderful, versatile, beautiful yarn. If you would love more info on that, or you would like to download the full written version of this pattern, you can make a dash on over to expressionfiberarts.com. Also, check the description box as I will put the direct links there for you. This shawl is a 2-row repeat. Literally, that is it. So I'm gonna show you how to work those 2 rows and how to do the color alternating sections if you do want to duplicate what we did in this version. Start by casting on 4 stitches. I'm gonna use the long tail cast on for this, but that's not super important. So just do your 4 stitches there, and then we'll get started. Let's go ahead and work row 1. For row 1, you're just gonna knit across your row until you have just 2 stitches remaining. So it's gonna be really fast on this row, but your rows will increase as your shawl progresses. So when you just have those 2 stitches left, you're gonna work a yarn over, knit that next stitch, yarn over, and knit the final stitch. Now it's time to work row 2. For row 2, you're gonna start by knitting 2, 1, 2, then you're gonna work a yarn over, and you're gonna knit now until you have 2 stitches left on your row. So again, it's super fast on this row. When you have 2 stitches left, you're just gonna knit those 2 together. Now you're gonna repeat rows 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, until the shawl is the size that you like. Let me show you how to alternate colors. This is very simple and easy, so you're not gonna have a bunch of ends to weave in when you're all done. When you're ready to start alternating your colors, you're just gonna drop your old color and pick up your next one, and go ahead and start knitting the next row. So I'll do row 1 again. You're gonna knit across until you have 2 stitches left on your row. And when you're down to those 2 stitches, you're gonna do a yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit. For row 2, you're gonna knit 2, 1, 2. Then you're going to do a yarn over and knit until 2 stitches remain. So you're always going to be working 2 rows of each color. And I'm going to show you why. Now when you get down to those final 2 stitches, you're going to knit them together. When you've worked your 2 rows of that second color, you're going to find that you're back on the same side of your work that your other yarn is on. So all you do is drop that color, pick up your original color, pull it up the side, and you want to make sure to keep it nice and loose so your edge doesn't pucker. And then you just continue on knitting your 2 repeating rows. And just do that all the way up your shawl, and you won't have a bunch of ends to weave in later. And there you have it, a beautiful and elegant shawl pattern that you can be proud of. I hope you have a wonderful day. Remember that you are the only person that is going to experience this day through your eyes. It's so incredible. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for joining me, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, and go.
2. There are some parameters to it, but really just endless options that you can do. Should I do it again? Let me show you how to alternate colors. I was gonna say more.
Oh, okay.
We're down to 2 stitches left. So when you get to 2 stitches, I messed up. We're there already. It will get longer and longer as you, what in the world? Put on this planet.
Let me show you and just say okay.
Okay. Thank you for joining me, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Do it again.
No, you're good.